Hello my beauties, I want to share with you my take-home color kits. As I get busier, this will be a lifesaver. So as you can see, any professional color that I custom create for you will come in two separate containers, one for developer, one for color. It will be a custom formulation for your hair color that I've already previously done, so it's literally a perfect match. Or we can do a consultation via digital technology where I can custom create a new color, a fantasy color, a rainbow color, pink hair color, whatever you'd like. I'm working with Thrivo salons at Thrivo salons. They developed an algorithmic sealing technology so that when I put this color in these jars, you know that it's safe, effective, eco-friendly, easy to use, and will stay that way for up to 6 months. The seal guarantees freshness. Just take it home, stop by the salon, pay, and pick it up. At home, you can be the one to refresh your color. I'm amazed by this technology. This is a video you can refer to on directions, and there will be custom kits and directions sent home with every single kit. That way, if you have any questions, not only can you reach out to me directly, but you'll be able to research for yourself. I'm so excited to offer this, and I'm so excited that I can help you guys when I can't necessarily fit you into the schedule. So I love you. Enjoy this video, reference it for anyone who wants to be a take-home kit. Right now I have 8 open spots left, if I recall correctly, so get yours now. Love you. Bye.